Would you try this glass skywalk at 314 meters high? Let's go to Mahanakhon Skywalk, Thailand's highest observation deck. I booked this activity nga pala sa Klook in advance. Mahanakhon Skywalk opens at 10 a.m., so I went early to enjoy it fully. They scanned my Klook voucher and guided me to the lockers. Large bags and tripods are not allowed. After that, I took the high-speed elevator to the 78th floor. This is the indoor observatory deck. Sobrang ganda ng view. And may souvenir shop and cafe din dito. After mag-picture-picture, I took the glass elevator to the 79th floor for the iconic glass tray experience. Literal na you're walking on glass with Bangkok under your feet. My rules for safety and staff are very helpful. Got my photo and video taken. Such a fun moment. Optional add-ons like the new Skyverse or iTilt are also available when booking. Book through Klook for convenience. Use Mami Helena Klook for discounts on tickets, hotels, SIM cards, and more. And search Mami Helena Klook for more discounts. Bye!